Oh yes, time for an upgrade. Hey everyone, welcome back to Polara YT. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. It was released a few months ago here in Canada, and I got it last month to replace my 4-year-old Galaxy A52 5G as my personal phone. Yep, that is right. The S25 Plus is here to begin a new chapter of my life, and I am super excited about it. Because I'm in university now. I actually finished my first year a few days ago, so I thought it was finally time to upgrade to a new flagship Samsung smartphone. I found the S25 Plus perfect because it has the right specs for me in a reasonable size, so I hope that this will last me longer than my A52 5G did. At the time of this video, the regular price of the S25 Plus in Canada is $1618.99 with 512GB of storage. However, I got it for just $898.08, and I'll elaborate on that later. I chose the larger storage option because I have a 256GB micro SD card in my 128GB A52 5G, so I have to combine them both, and the S25 Plus unfortunately doesn't have a micro SD card slot. This phone is available with 12GB of RAM, which is double my A52's, and lastly, out of 7 different color options, I chose icy blue. With that said, let's unbox this phone. Very nice. So here it is, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. It has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 12-megapixel front camera and built-in speaker above. On the back, we have 3 cameras. The top is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The middle is a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens with 2 times optical zoom. And the bottom is a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. And then, of course, the flash. On the top, we have 2 microphones. Interesting. On the right, we have the volume controls and power button. On the left, we have nothing. And on the bottom, we have the SIM card tray, a 3rd microphone, the USB Type-C port, and the bottom speakers. No more headphone jack, which I still don't understand. What else is in the box? We have the SIM card ejection pin, and inside we have what looks to be like the quick start guide, and the charging and data cable, which is USB Type-C to C. No charger in the box, which is totally fine with me because I have way too many chargers at hand. So I guess that's it for the unboxing. So now I'm going to charge this phone, insert the SIM card, put the screen protector and case on, and then we'll begin the setup and data transfer process. So the SIM card tray on this phone only takes 1 SIM card. My A52's tray could be a dual SIM slot or 1 SIM and a micro SD card, but it didn't have eSIM compatibility, so I'm excited to have eSIM on my S25 Plus. By the way, that SIM card is new. I actually got it along with the phone. I mention this because my service provider and Samsung both offered major discounts that brought this phone's price down to $898.08. Samsung also offered some gift cards that needed to be used on the same day, so I decided to upgrade some more and got a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. I'll be unboxing that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. So for the screen protector and case, I got Spigens, and I use them on my A52 5G, and they are very good. I highly recommend them for your phone. So let's apply them here. I really like how Spigen includes this installation guide to help you put your screen protector on your phone. That'll do. Looking good. Alright, let's boot it up for the first time. Powered by Android. Oops, SIM card detected. Looks like we will have to restart it. Welcome! Let's start. English Canada, yes. Oh, agree to all. Easy setup with another device. I am transferring from a Galaxy device, so before we begin, I'm going to show you my Galaxy A52 5G after 4 years of use. So here's the state of my A52. It's actually pretty decent still, but you can see a few screen protector cracks up here. There's one over here, and then another one down here. It's not all that significant. But more notably, for some reason, the back cover seal has completely worn off. Now it just keeps popping off without a case on it. And here's what my A52 looks like with a case on it. Now, let's begin the setup and transfer process on my new S25 Plus. Let's set up, getting your phone ready, checking info. Copy data from your old Android device. Let's do that. Transfer your data. We're using the Samsung Smart Switch app. Let's transfer with a cable because it's more stable. Boom. Connect to Polara S25 Plus to transfer your data. Yes, sir. Now it's searching for data to transfer. Select data to transfer. Everything. Now they're transferring. Let's do this. Set up biometrics. Use your biometrics to unlock your phone or verify yourself in apps. We can do that later. Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Oh, great. I'll figure that out later. Getting your phone ready. Ooh, Galaxy AI. Yes, because this has One UI 7 now. My A52 5G does not support One UI 7, unfortunately. Because it's a good thing I upgraded. Bixby. Use Bixby with just your voice. Next. Samsung Services. Auto blocker, customization, data intelligence. Sure. You're all set up. Let's do that. And let's go home. Yes! Looking good. So after the data transfer process is done, we can conclude this video. Oh dear God, 1 hour 25 minutes left to transfer everything? Whew! Okay, well, this is gonna take a while. Alright, so the transfer process is done. Oh, well, now I just started charging my A52. But anyway, I can now disconnect the USB cable. Perfect! Alright, well, I don't need to charge my A52, so let's go to the home screen. And we are all done. Let's take a look at how YouTube looks like on my new S25 Plus by playing this video. Welcome to another unboxing video on ONYT. Today we're going to take a look at the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. This is the awesome black variant. Looks great, not much of a difference with the A52, but the sound is definitely improved. So, that's it. My S25 Plus is ready to be my new personal phone for the next several years. I have a lot of other setting up to do on this phone, so I'm going to do that right after. But I really think we need to pay tribute to my A52 5G, because for the last 4 years, this phone has really helped me find my way in life. From getting me through high school and my first year in university, to unleashing content potential on Polara YT and my other social media accounts to grow the Polara Pacific community, the A52 5G has done it all for me. For now, it will serve as my backup phone, but I cannot wait to continue this tradition with my new S25 Plus moving forward. So here it is, the new Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. It has a 6.5-inch Infinity O display with a camera and built-in speakers somewhere on the top. This phone feels great to the touch, but I'll be getting a case anyway, so that won't be for long. So yes, this Samsung Galaxy A52 5G will be my new personal phone. I can't wait to play around with it. It's time for another new chapter of ONYT.